And, you've got the honour of tossing the coin.
Yes.
Graham Gooch, you're going to call apparently.
The ball or the writing? Okay, all set to go? Okay, here we go.
Okay, the ball. You won it, Imran.
We'll bat.
Is that because of a bit of a worry about rain?
Partly, I mean, you can't take a chance. And the second reason is, it's excellent batting conditions.
You must be really pleased with the way the side has pulled together in the last few games.
Very much so, we really have been through the fire. We looked like being knocked out. And sadly, to have come back, it's given me the greatest pleasure and satisfaction.
Yeah. I see you've got your tiger on again. You want them to play like cornered tigers?
Yes, that's the motto recently, and they've done a great job. They've played like tigers, especially the younger boys. They haven't been overawed by any situation. And if they play like tigers, I don't mind if they win or lose today.
All right. Your last World Cup, you've been a great cricketer and a great ornament to the game. Good luck.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Graham, like to have batted first?
I'm not that fussed. It looks a great wicket, as Imran says. I think it'll stay the same all the way through, and I hope the weather doesn't obviously interfere with the match, because it'll be a great spectacle. We're delighted to be here in front of a full house at Melbourne. It's our object to reach the World Cup final. We obviously like to win it, but we hope it's a good game of cricket.
All right. Did you have everybody fit for selection?
Yes, we've left Robin Smith out, preferred Alan Lamb, who's experienced. We've left Gladstone Small and Philip Tufton out as well.
All right. I guess at 39 it's probably going to be your last cup as well.
Well, I think so, yeah. I don't think I'll be able to make it back. The legs won't carry me that far, so I'm really looking forward to today.
All right. All the best, and hope you finish on a good note.
Thanks, you.
Rightio. Well, there we are. Imran Khan has won the toss, Richie. A nice warm day, and he's decided to bat first.